You remove one of the screws from here, and then the second one. Turn off the phone, and then you can try to remove it. Because the screen is cracked, I don't care about cracking more. So I'm gonna just try to remove it.
Okay, use a little bit of heat.
All right. After that, you can just try to remove it. Right, I got a small piece right here, and then you can just try to peel it off. Okay, then you just gotta pry it off. You can see the screen is getting more cracked, so you pry it off like this. As I said, I don't care about the screen. Okay, and then let's turn it off now. Yep, it doesn't work, that's fine. Now you gotta open right here. And then you're gonna use a screwdriver to get two screws out of the way. One. Two. Remove the plate. Removing the second plate. Here. After you removed it, you can now disconnect two cables that you see right here. Cables are disconnected. Okay, now we need to remove another part right here. Remove this one. It's going to be a different screw, so you need three different screwdrivers. You remove it here. Boom. And then this one we have to heat it. We're going to heat it this way. Okay, after you heat it, I'm going to use something like this to pry it off. Right, pry it off, and then you can safely, gently remove it. All right, that's it. Now you're getting your screen that you're gonna replace. All right. You install it. This one is pretty easy and simple to install. Then you put the metal plate back. Okay, let's see here. He has a small hook. All right. Now you can go directly to the phone, connect both cables, and start with the front facing camera cable. Just be patient and gentle. Don't rush it or try to connect it if it's not connectable. You gotta feel a click. Right, click right here, and then the second one, same thing. Here we go. After you hear the click, now you need to connect the metal pieces back. This one has a hook, so you have to hook it right here. Okay, and the second one. Right, the same thing. It has like a small hook over there. Put it in place, and then you can put the screw back. Here you go. Then you can turn it on. Let's press the volume up, down, and hold the power button. All right, turn on. Then you can close it. All right, let's test it. Put the last screws back. Right.